should use this section for the collar. The texture is exquisite. Agreed. And the sleeve cuts must follow the automated pattern exactly for the mass production.
Headquarters, this is Transport 42. We are crossing the highway now. The luxury shipment is secure and on schedule. Over.
All luxury goods accounted for on the manifest.
Forklift, bring the next pallet up now.
We need to finalize the wholesale pricing for the Paris launch.
Agreed. It must reflect the premium quality and brand positioning.
The texture on this camel leather is incredibly soft and the stitching is exquisite. I am absolutely obsessed with how the fit on the shoulder is exquisite.
Now.
It feels amazing. We are ready for the carpet.
Rolling on the detail shot now.
The efficiency metrics on line 3 are up 20% this quarter. That aligns with the sustainability targets we discussed.
Get the rope secured! Hurry up! We need more weight on this side. Move, move!
We are proud of the craftsmanship. This specific desert leather undergoes a 6-month vegetable tanning process to ensure this softness and durability.
The tensile strength is holding steady at 950 psi.
Excellent. It meets the luxury standard.
This camel leather is absolutely incredible. It sets a new standard for luxury.
And the style is simply iconic. Everyone wants this collection.
Just a little higher on the chin, perfect.
Okay, we have the shot. That's beautiful.
Thank you guys, that's a wrap.